This isn't just Honda's next electric car. This is Honda rewriting its entire future. The 2026 Honda Zero Saloon isn't chasing luxury EVs already on the road, it's quietly setting a new benchmark that others will spend years trying to catch up to. What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we're stepping into something that feels less like a car review and more like a glimpse into the future. Imagine a world where luxury isn't loud, power isn't aggressive, and technology doesn't scream for attention but quietly works around you like a personal assistant who already knows what you need. That's exactly the vibe of the 2026 Honda Zero Saloon, an all-electric statement that redefines what a premium EV sedan can be. This isn't just Honda experimenting with electrification anymore. This is Honda drawing a line in the sand and saying, this is what the next era looks like. The first thing that hits you about the 2026 Honda Zero Saloon is the presence. It doesn't beg for attention, but somehow it commands it. The design is clean, sharp, and futuristic without being weird or overdone. You get this ultra-low silhouette that almost feels like it's slicing through the air even while standing still. The front end is minimal, smooth, and sculpted, with a lighting signature that looks more like digital art than traditional headlights. Everything feels intentional. No fake vents, no unnecessary creases, just pure form following function. And honestly, that's where true luxury lives. As you walk around the car, you start noticing the details, the flush surfaces, the seamless body panels, the way the roofline flows effortlessly into the rear. This isn't the kind of car that ages quickly. It's designed to look modern 5 years from now, maybe even 10. Honda clearly wanted the Zero Saloon to be timeless rather than trendy, and that's a bold move in a world where cars often chase short-term hype. Now, let's talk about what really sets this thing apart, the philosophy behind it. Honda calls this the thin, light, and wise approach, and you feel that the moment you interact with the car. Despite being packed with technology, it doesn't feel heavy or bloated. The materials are premium but purposeful. The structure is engineered to be lightweight without compromising safety. And the intelligence of the car isn't shoved in your face. It's integrated, subtle, and intuitive. Step inside, and this is where the 2026 Honda Zero Saloon earns its place among the most expensive, forward-thinking electric sedans of its time. The cabin feels more like a luxury lounge than a cockpit. The dashboard is wide, clean, and almost floating, with displays that blend into the environment instead of dominating it. The screens are sharp, responsive, and positioned exactly where your eyes naturally want to go. No clutter, no distractions. The steering wheel is futuristic yet familiar, and everything you touch feels high-end. Soft touch surfaces, sustainable premium materials, and an overall sense of calm that you don't usually get in modern cars. Honda clearly spent a lot of time thinking about how people actually feel when they're inside a vehicle, not just how it looks on a spec sheet. And then there's the technology. This is where the wise part of the philosophy comes alive. The 2026 Honda Zero Saloon uses advanced AI-driven systems that learn from you, your driving habits, your comfort preferences, even the way you interact with the car. Over time, it adapts. It knows when you like a quiet ride and when you want a bit more engagement. It understands your daily routine and optimizes efficiency without you ever having to think about it. The digital assistant in this car doesn't feel robotic. It feels natural, conversational, and genuinely helpful. Navigation, climate control, entertainment, all of it flows seamlessly through voice, touch, or subtle gestures. This is the kind of tech that makes you forget it's there, and that's the highest compliment you can give any system. Now, let's get into performance, because yes, this is still a Honda, and performance matters. The Zero Saloon delivers instant electric torque that feels smooth, refined, and confident. It's not about neck-snapping acceleration for the sake of bragging rights. It's about effortless power. You press the accelerator and the car moves instantly, silently, and with authority. Merging onto highways, overtaking traffic, cruising at high speeds, everything feels controlled and composed. The low center of gravity from the battery placement gives the car exceptional balance. Corners feel planted, steering feels precise, and the ride quality is exactly what you'd expect from a premium electric sedan. Comfortable when you want it, responsive when you need it. Honda nailed the balance between luxury and driver engagement here. Range and charging are also major highlights. The 2026 Honda Zero Saloon is engineered for real-world use, not just ideal conditions. You're looking at a competitive long-range setup that makes road trips realistic and stress-free. Fast charging capabilities mean you can regain a significant amount of range in a short time, making stops quick and convenient. This is an EV built for daily life, not just for show. Safety, as expected, is on another level. Honda's latest driver assistance and safety technologies are baked into every aspect of the car. Advanced sensors, cameras, and intelligence systems work together to keep you aware, protected, and confident on the road. It doesn't feel intrusive. It feels supportive, like the car is watching your back without taking control away from you. What really makes the 2026 Honda Zero Saloon special is the message it sends. This isn't just Honda joining the luxury EV space. This is Honda redefining what premium can mean. It's not about excess, it's not about showing off. It's about intelligent design, thoughtful engineering, and technology that actually improves your experience instead of complicating it. In a world full of electric cars trying to outdo each other with bigger screens, louder designs, and more aggressive marketing, the Honda Zero Saloon takes a different path. It's confident, calm, and quietly revolutionary. It feels like a car designed for people who truly appreciate quality, innovation, and balance. So if you're looking at the future of electric sedans and wondering which direction the industry is really heading, the 2026 Honda Zero Saloon might just be your answer. It's not chasing trends, it's setting standards. And honestly, this could be one of the most important electric vehicles Honda has ever created. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the future of electric luxury, you already know what to do. Like the video, share it with someone who loves EVs as much as you do, and what's up everyone? Subscribe my channel for more next-gen car content just like this. Stay tuned because the future is just getting started.